Today, let us see about the break at point, and the join command of AutoCAD. So let us start with the break command. The command equivalent of the break command is BR. The break command allows you to break the selected object between 2 points and therefore create a gap. So let us draw a line. Now select the break command. This one here. You are now prompted to select objects. Now, as we know, we are going to create a gap somewhere on this line. That means we have to select 2 points. Now, what you need to know is that the first command prompt that says select object is also your first breakpoint. So you have to select your first breakpoint on the first command prompt. So in this case, I will select this point here. After that, you are now prompted to specify the second point. So I'll specify the second point here. As you can see, a gap is created between the 2 points that we just selected. The break command is often used to create a space for a block or text. Now, let us see about the break at point command. This command breaks the selected object at a single point. Objects that are valid for the application of this command include lines, open polylines, and arcs. Closed objects such as circles can't be broken at a single point. So let us draw a line. Now click on this line. As you can see, once you click on this line, the entire line is highlighted because it is one complete line. Now select the break at point command, this one here. After that, you are now prompted to select objects, so select this line. And finally, you are prompted to specify the first breakpoint. So I'll specify the first breakpoint here. Now click on this line here. As you can see, only a part of the line is highlighted. That means the line has been broken into two. Now let us see about the join command. The command equivalent of the join command is letter J. The join command allows you to join similar objects to form a single unbroken object. For example, let us join back this line that we just broke. So select the join command, this one here. And now select the object that you want to join. So in this case, I will select these two lines here, this one, this one, and then press enter. And now click on this line again. As you can see, the entire line is highlighted. That means it has just been joined back into one line. The join command can also be used to join a series of finite or linear and open curved objects at their common endpoint to create a single 2D or 3D object. For example, let us draw a series of lines. As we know, all these lines are independent. Now let us join them. So select the join command and then select all these lines and then press enter. And now if you select any point on these joined line segments, you will note that all the line segment is highlighted. For example, I'll select on this point here, and as you can see, all these line segments are highlighted. That means they have all been joined together. So let us select this. And that is all about the break and the join commands.